who wants to learn how to make this amazing, delicious, high protein, no sugar, no fat, energy smoothie, milkshake, and I did strawberry flavored. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just finished a really good workout. I challenged myself today and I need a boost. So we're gonna make my delicious strawberry smoothie milkshake. It tastes like a milkshake. Usually I use plain almond milk. You can use whatever you want, actually, water, whatever. I only had the chocolate. Oh well, I guess I'll have to add the chocolate. Poor me. And a little bit of water. So started with about 4 ice cubes, 1 scoop of the Kaha New Zealand whey. I love it because it has no sugar, no fat, 31 grams of protein, and it doesn't have any gluten, fillers, soy, wheat, antibiotics, lactose, or hormones, as it says, and it tastes amazing. I also like to just take a handful, that's it, of some frozen strawberries, and I'm just going to take a package of stevia because I like it a bit sweeter. You do you want to use a little bit of honey, you can do that. And then I just pour in some of my milk. Again, you can use what you want, and just a little bit of water. If you want to add some spinach, you could do that. A handful of spinach, why not? You could add nut butter. You could add any fruit, but the strawberry is really good. And today I am going to add a little bit of baby spinach as well and pack that down. All right, so I'm going to blend it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put it on, and I like to just mix it first. Make sure you get all the top of the protein shake, because it always goes, actually it goes to the bottom, but when you flip it over, it's the top. And depending on how thick you want it, or how loose you want it, you can add more water or milk. And I think that's just going to be amazing. Okay, so because I added some green, it's not as red as usual, but you can see some of the strawberry in here. It's a perfect consistency, and it's a perfect amount to really help you after or before a workout, or just add as a supplement for energy. And it is super delicious. Here I am. I just had a huge workout at Fusion Fitness, and I'm going to just enjoy drink it or eat it with a spoon, or sip it, or try to find a straw. I'm just trying to find my thick straws, but I'm not sure what my daughter did with them. So I gotta take a shower after I have my yummy smoothie breakfast. So I hope you try it. Again, you could add other things to it. It's always versatile. All recipes are, but this will do the job, especially when you need a boost energy. Even as a snack, this is a great option, okay? I hope this helps you. You can find other protein powders, of course, that you enjoy. I just really love the New Zealand Kaha brand. It is top, in my opinion. And I've tried different ones, of course, over the years. Bye for now.